Hello gents, good morning, good. This is last video of property of triangle and trigonometry also from your book. Means in this video I'm going to tell remaining questions of property of triangle. As you know, in previous video already I have given all the formula property of triangle and example 1, 2, 3 and 4 till 4 I have solved already in previous video. In this video going to solve question number 5. Clear? In question number 5, in any triangle ABC, prove that b square sin 2c plus c square sin 2b is equal to 2bc sin of is equal to 4 triangle. Means both the value we have to prove. Understood? Then first of all, left hand side, LHS left hand side, b square sin 2c c square sin 2b, b square 2 sin of c cos of c c square into 2 sin of b cos of b. Understood? Now we can see here c is equal to ck, b square 2 ck cos of c c square 2 bk and cos of b. Clear? Why? Because a upon sin of a, b upon sin of b, c upon sin of c is equal to a. Now 2 here common. Clear? Then 2 BCK common, 2 BCK common. After that B cos C plus C cos B. Clear? Now also we have formula A is equal to what? B cos C plus C cos of B. This is formula. And 2 BCK, this in this place what we have to write? A. Then 2 BC 2 BCKA 2 BCK of A, K is equal to what? Sin of A, 2 BC sin of A. Means first part proof. Here you can see 2 BC sin of A. Now we have to prove triangle also here. Then triangle is equal to what? 1 by 2 BC sin of A. Then 2 BC sin of A. Clear? But 1 by 2 divide by 2 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1 upon 2 BC sin of A. Now this is equal to what? Triangle 4 into triangle. Means now this is second part. Right hand side. Second part here. This is also right hand side. Right hand side. First part. This is here second part. Understood? You can see here. Okay. Left hand side, b square sin 2c plus c square sin 2b. Then sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. With the help of sin 2 theta, we can change sin 2c, 2 sin c cos c and 2 sin b cos b. Then 2 bck common, b cos c plus c cos b, b cos c plus c cos b, that is a, small a. Then 2 bc, k means what? Sin of a, 2 bc sin of a. First part proof, right hand side. Now we have triangle is equal to 1 by 2 BC sin of A, then divide by 2 multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 1 by 2 BC sin of A, that is triangle, at last one 4 into triangle, hence proof. Question number 6 is very most important question. In any triangle ABC, prove that a cos b minus c by 2 is equal to b plus c into sine of a by 2. Clear? Unit angle means since angle a plus angle b plus angle c is equal to what? 180 degree. Then divide by 2, a by 2, b by 2, angle c by 2 is equal to what? 90 degree. Clear? Now from here, b plus c upon a is equal to what? A divided by this side, then cos b minus c upon 2 clear whole upon sine a by 2. Means either we have to prove this is equal to right hand side or this is equal to this side. Both are same here. Now we have formula a upon sine of a, b upon sine of b, c upon sine of c is equal to k. Clear? In the place of b, we can write k sine of b plus k sine of c upon what? K sine of a. Now here k common, sine of b plus sine of c upon what? K sine of a, k cancel. Then sine of b plus sine of c upon what? Sine of a. Clear? Now you can write here cos of b minus c by 2 upon what? Sine a by 2 cos b minus c upon 2 whole upon what? Sine a by 2. That's clear. Now sine b plus sine c plus sine d is equal to what? 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 upon what? 2 sine a by 2 and cos a by 2. Clear? Is equal to cos b minus c by 2 upon sine a by 2. It is not compulsory we will write both the side. Either we can prove left hand side is equal to right hand side or right hand side is equal to left hand side. Either this one or both means this value we can prove. Depend on you. I am going to prove this value. Not left is equal to right. Both are correct. 2 cancel here. Clear? Now b plus c by 2. B plus c by 2 is equal to what? 90 minus a by 2. Clear? Sine 90 minus a by 2 and cos of b minus c by 2 whole upon what? Sine a by 2 and cos of a by 2 is equal to cos of b minus c upon 2 sine a by 2. Clear? Sine 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta is cos a by 2 into cos b minus c by 2 whole upon sine a by 2 and cos a by 2 is equal to cos of b minus c upon 2 and sine a by 2. Cos a by 2 cancel. Cos b minus c by 2 whole upon what? Sine a by 2 is equal to cos b minus c by 2 whole upon sine a by 2. Clear? Now we can prove here both are equal. Understood? Both are equal means hence proof. Understood? Both value. If suppose direct here, this is equal to this means this is equal to this value. This value means what? A b plus c by a, b plus c by a and b plus c by a. Clear? Same things here also. This is value of what? This is value of b plus c by a. This is value of b plus c by a. This is also b plus c by a. This is also b plus c by a. Clear? If we want to prove this value, then cross multiplication here. What? B plus c sine of a by 2 is equal to what? A cos of b minus a by 2. So a cos b minus c by 2 is equal to b plus c sine of a by 2. Clear? Now you can see here same answer. A cos b minus a by 2 plus is equal to b plus c cos sine a by 2. So whatever simple formula for you can apply here. B plus a by 2, clear? Then b plus c a by 2 is equal to what? Is equal to very simple. Here cos b minus c by 2 whole upon sine of a by 2. If we suppose this value, clear? This at last, what is value of b plus a by 2? C plus a cos b minus c by 2 upon sine a by 2. Cos b minus c by 2 upon sine a by 2. So we can say, if this is left hand side, this is right hand side, we can prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Or if you want to prove this one direct here, value of this one, this value will come, cross multiply, same answer will come. Understood? Okay. Okay, you see question number 7. In any triangle ABC, prove that tan b minus c by 2 is equal to b minus c upon b plus c into cot a by 2. That is Napier's analog. This is called Napier's formula. Clear? Because from beginning I have written about the Napier's formula, Napier's analog. Tan b minus c by 2, tan c minus a by 2, tan a minus b by 2. All three formula. Now going to prove. Now here what? B minus c upon b plus c is equal to what? Tan b minus c by 2. Clear? These numbers come this side upon what? Cot a by 2. Or tan b minus c by 2 into what? Tan a by 2. Then either we have to prove tan b minus c by 2 is equal to this right hand side, or b minus c upon b plus c is equal to tan b minus c by 2 into tan a by 2. Clear? Because this is equal to this upon this, cot a by 2, cot means tan. Now going to take this value, b minus c upon b plus c. Clear? Here left hand limit, left hand side. B is equal to what? B is equal to k sine of b minus k sine of c whole upon k sine of b plus k sine of c. Now k is common. Sine of b sine of c upon k sine of b plus sine of c. K cancel. Sine c minus sine d. We have formula here. Sine c plus sine d is equal to what? 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sine c minus sine d is equal to what? 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sine c minus d by 2. Clear? Then sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d, c means b here, b by 2 sin b minus c by 2 whole upon what? 2 sin b plus c by 2 and cos b minus c by 2. Clear? 2 cancel here. After that, you see here cos b plus c by 2 sin b plus c by 2. I mean this is theta here. Cos theta upon sin theta is equal to what? very simple, cot theta. Cot means b plus c by 2 into sin b minus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2. Sin theta by cos theta means what? Tan b minus c by 2. Clear? Then cot b plus c by 2 is equal to what? Cot 90 minus a by 2 into tan b minus c by 2. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to what? Tan a by 2 into tan b minus c by 2. Clear? Now this is value of b minus c, and here b minus c upon b plus c. Now you can see here, right hand side, tan a by 2 into tan b minus c by 2 means, hence prove here. If you want to multiply here, then you can multiply also. Multiply means what? B minus c upon b plus c is equal to tan a by 2, b minus c by 2. Come this side, b minus c upon b plus c, 1 upon tan a by 2 is equal to what? Tan b minus c by 2. 1 by tan theta is equal to what? Cot theta. So b minus c upon 2 is equal to cot b minus c upon b plus c into cot a by 2. Now whatever questions in your book, same question proof here. Till here it is correct. It is not compulsory. You will extend to this line. If you want to prove same questions, now in this way we can prove. Understood? Okay. Now I am going to give homework question. Homework question in any triangle for all the question. Clear? In any triangle for all the question. First question: if a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4, prove that cos a is equal to sin by 8. Second question: prove that sin a upon sin a plus b is equal to a by c. Third question: prove that ac cos b minus bc cos c is equal to a square minus b square. Question number 4: prove that a cos a plus b plus c minus b cos b plus a minus c cos a plus c is equal to 0. Question number 5: if c is equal to 60 degree, c means this is angle here. This is angle c is equal to 60 degree. Clear? Then prove that 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c is equal to 3 upon a plus b plus c. Once more, you see, because homework questions are very important for you, then you can check yourself by this question. Question number 1: a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4. Prove that cos a is equal to 7 by 8. Question number 2: prove that sin a upon sin a plus b is equal to a by c. Question number 3: prove that ac cos b minus bc cos a is equal to a square minus b square. And question number 4: prove that a cos a plus b plus c minus b cos b plus a minus c cos a plus c is equal to 0. Last question is: if angle c is equal to 60 degree, then prove that a 1 upon a plus c plus 1 upon b plus c is equal to 3 upon a plus b plus c. Then till today I have given 25 videos, and all the videos are important. Means how many chapters we have finished till 25 videos, then all the videos are important. In this way, if you want to, then you can complete your this type chapters. Some chapters I have explained in a video. Clear? Don't think lectures will study. No. One by one, with the help of one by one video, please we will complete all the chapters. If you have problems, not able to understand, suppose voice is not clear, video is not clear, any technical problems, don't confuse, try to understand. And if you are having the book, please with the help of book and with the help of example, try to understand. If you want to try to understand, surely you can understand, you can complete maximum question. Clear? Then with the help of example, after completing example, after that try to do exercise problem. Then first of all, you will make one fair copy. How many questions given in your video, means all this video, please all the questions you should note down in your fair copy, and you will write, and you will make one separate formula copy, because all the formula are important, because when you will learn the formula, after sometimes you will forget all the formula. That's why you write all the formula in separate copy. During the interval time, during one by one day, you will revise, because formulas are very very important. Suppose you know calculations, okay, but in which questions we will apply the formula. With the help of formula we can solve. If you don't know formula, then how we can solve, how we can apply the formula? So formula is very important. Please you maintain all the copies and formula copies, and thank you very much.